Scientists across the world are trying their best to make use of technology to find simple as well as cost-effective methods to test and also seek results of these samples. And I will tell you how in this special report. Well, you're watching TV9 News and I'm your host Deepak. Well, did you ever think that your phone could be a tool to test and also seek sample results? Obviously not, right? Well, scientists have developed a portable saliva-based smartphone testing platform for COVID-19, which they claim can provide results within just 15 minutes without the need for resource-intensive laboratory methods. So what is this idea all about? Well, the new approach described in the journal Science Advances pairs a fluorescence microscope readout device with your smartphone, and this will help them to determine the quantity of the virus in a patient's test sample. Well, now the next question that would probably hit your mind is, how did they come out with such an innovation like that? Well, according to the study, scientists used an assay made of CRISPR or the Cas12a molecules in order to test 12 people infected with the novel coronavirus and 6 healthy controls, which was then read out using the smartphone platform. And according to the researchers, the techniques works as effectively as well as the well-established RT-PCR method, which is widely used across the nation to test samples. Now, how useful is this futuristic tool? This smartphone platform, a similar future application, offers the potential to rapidly expand COVID-19 screening capacity and also potentially simplify the verification of contact tracing to improve local containment and also inform regional disease control efforts. Now the next question is, what type of samples are tested using this particular mobile-based tool? Well, generally COVID-19 tests would require throat swabs collected by fully equipped medical professionals. But the scientists claim that you wouldn't need to collect swabs. Instead, saliva swabs or saliva samples can be taken because the presence of the virus will also be detected in saliva. So, saliva-based COVID-19 tests could enable comparatively reliable but also simpler and also safe testing as well. Now the next question is, how did the scientists develop this particular tool? Now, to develop the platform for saliva-based testing, the researchers built a prototype assay chip that uses CRISPR, like I mentioned, CRISPR molecules to better detect the viral genetic material within a saliva sample. They integrated the chip into a smartphone-based fluorescence microscope readout device, which captures and also analyzes images to determine whether the virus is present above a particular threshold concentration or not. Now, as we all know, this method clearly proves that technology has been a boon to scientists across the world, and this method clearly provides an efficient platform for testing samples, and it will aid the healthcare infrastructures across the country. And guess what? If this method is rolled out, then you wouldn't have to bear the risk of going to the nearby COVID-19 hospitals to get yourself tested. Instead, you can collect your own saliva samples and just insert it in your smartphone with the tool that these scientists have developed. Do drop in your comments about this particular research, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Many thanks for watching.